glasses and makeup.
Yeah.
That is cool. What's in here? Oh. Oh, look what my mom gave you. What is that? Oh, wait a minute. M&M's, look at this. Wait, let me see. Maybe it needs batteries. Guess it needs batteries because the fan will go around. Oh, there it is. Does that scare you?
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have to do that. And look, she got you a chocolate bunny and M&M's. And she even shared the straw with us.
Can you open it?
Look, she even gave us some Easter grass.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, is right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and some pretty headbands.